Hey guys, my name is Richie. In today's video, I'll show you have to install Always on Display on your phone. What you need is Samsung phone, at least Android 7 Plus and zip file. Okay, so first, go to download page and the link below will be in your description. Open Google Chrome and download AOD. After, go to My Files and pack the zip file. Unzip. After, install the contacts on the folder. Install Always on Display series and download and install Always on Display. Ready? Okay. Fifth, go to settings and look for the screen to close. Look screen. The new menu item will be treated Always on Display. On Always on Display, allow. That would have been. I'll see you in the next video. If you liked the video, then throw it on one like, then subscribe. Follow Instagram if you like. Take care.